Welcome to my welcome to my YouTube channel. In today we will see RRB Paramedical 2019 paper. It is a solved staff nurse paper with answers. To relieve from dyspnea, the appropriate position to be used is A. Prone position, B. Supine position, C. Side-lying position, D. Fowler's position. The appropriate position to be used to relieve from dyspnea is D. Fowler's position. Protein requirement for a pregnant woman per day. The options are A. 50 grams, B. 55 grams, C. 60 grams, D. 65 grams. The protein requirement for a pregnant woman per day is option B. 55 grams. The fundus is at the level of umbilicus during dash weeks of pregnancy. The options are A. 16, B. 20, C. 24 and D. 28. The answer is C. At 24 weeks of pregnancy, the fundus is at the level of umbilicus. The total weight gain during pregnancy is, the options are A. 7 to 8 kg, B. 10 to 11 kg, C. 13 to 14 kg, D. 15 to 16 kg. The total weight gain during pregnancy is C, that is 13 to 14 kgs. The birth weight of a baby doubles at the age of, the options are A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 9 months and D. 12 months. And the answer is B. 6 months. At 6 months, the weight of a baby doubles. Infancy period is from, the options are A. birth to 1 month, B. 1 month to 1 year, C. 1 year to 3 years, D. 3 years to 5 years. And infancy period is from 1 month to 1 year. The following are the signs of dehydration except, the options are A. sunken tearless eyes, B. loss of skin elasticity, C. diuresis and D. depressed fontanelle. So here they have asked except, so the answer is C. diuresis. Remaining three options are the signs of dehydration. The following are the contents of ORS, that is oral rehydration solution, except, the options are A. sodium chloride, B. sugar, C. potassium chloride and D. calcium carbonate. The answer is D. calcium carbonate. The most common form of malnutrition are the following except, options are A. beriberi, B. protein energy malnutrition, C. marasmus and D. kwashiorkor. And the answer is A. beriberi. Remaining three are common forms of malnutrition. The first course of oral pill should be started on the dash day of menstrual cycle. The options are A. 2nd, B. 7th, C. 5th and D. 10th. So oral pill should be started on the 5th day of menstrual cycle. Answer C. The following are the natural methods of contraception except, A. foam tablet, B. basal metabolic temperature, C. rhythm period and D. safe period. The answer is A. foam tablet. This is not a natural method of contraception. Dash is the permanent method of sterilization. The options are A. MTP, B. diaphragm, C. tubectomy and D. DNC. And the answer is C. tubectomy. Tubectomy is the permanent method of sterilization for the women, whereas vasectomy is the permanent method of sterilization for the males. The following organs are situated in the abdominal cavity except, the options are A. stomach, B. Esophagus, C. Liver, and D. Spleen. The answer is B. Esophagus. So except esophagus, remaining 3 organs are situated in the abdominal cavity. The system of body which helps for the removal of waste material from the body. Which system helps to remove the waste material from the body? The options are A. Digestive system, B. Endocrine system, C. Respiratory system, and D. Excretory system. Absolutely the answer is D. Excretory system. It helps to remove the waste material from the body. The total number of bones present in the human body. The options are A. 306, B. 206, C. 106, and D. 406. The total number of bones present in the human body is B. 206, whereas a newborn have 300 bones. So they fuse and form together as 206. The following are the contents of ORS, that is oral rehydration solution, except. The options are A. Sodium chloride, B. Sugar, C. Potassium chloride, and D. Calcium carbonate. The answer is the nerve which carries message from the brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands are. Which nerves carries message from brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands? The options are A. Motor nerve, B. Sensory nerve, C. Mixed nerve, and D. Autonomic nerve. The answer is A. Motor nerve. The speech center is situated in the dash. A. Parietal lobe, B. Frontal lobe, C. Occipital lobe, and D. Temporal lobe. The answer is A. Parietal lobe. Speech center is situated at the parietal lobe. The largest gland in the body. A. Pituitary gland, B. Adrenal gland, C. Liver, and D. Gallbladder. The largest gland in the body is C. Liver. Liver is also a gland. It is both exocrine and endocrine gland. Head control of the infant occurs at the age of dash months. The options are A. 2 months, B. 3 months, C. 5 months, and D. 6 months. The head control of an infant occurs at the 5 months of age. Preperium is the period begins. The options are A. As soon as the placenta is expelled and lasts for 6 to 8 weeks. Option B. As soon as the baby is expelled and lasts for 6 to 8 weeks. Option C. As soon as the members obtain and lasts for 6 to 8 weeks. And option D is as soon as the placenta is expelled and lasts for 10 to 12 weeks. So the answer is A. As soon as the placenta is expelled and lasts for 6 to 8 weeks. When the umbilical cord lies in front of the presenting part and the membranes are intact, it is known as. The options are A. Cord prolapse, B. Cord presentation, C. Cord pulsation, and D. Cord delivery. When umbilical cord lies in front of the presenting part and the membranes are intact, it is known as cord presentation. Starting of a menstrual cycle is called. Option A. Ovulation, B. Menstruation, C. Menarche, and D. Menopause. The starting of menstrual cycle is called as menarche. The speech center is situated in the dash. A. Parietal lobe, B. Frontal lobe, C. Occipital lobe, and D. Temporal lobe. The answer is A. Parietal lobe. Speech center is situated at the parietal lobe. The total number of bones present in the human body. The options are A. 306, B. 206, C. 106, and D. 406. The total number of bones present in the human body is B. 206, whereas a new. The method of making the victim to breathe passively. The options are A. Artificial respiration, B. Spontaneous respiration, C. Deep breathing respiration, and D. Small breathing respiration. And the answer is A. Artificial respiration is the method of making the victim to breathe passively. Minute thin walled blood vessels between the ends of the arteries and beginning of the vein is called as. The options are A. Arteries, B. Veins, C. Capillaries, and D. Alveoli. And the answer is C. Capillaries. Capillaries are the structures which is present between end of the arteries and the beginning of the veins. A waste gas produced by the body and exhaled through the lungs is. The options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Nitrogen peroxide, and D. Oxygen. The waste gas produced by the body and exhaled through the lungs is A. Carbon dioxide. A condition characterized by moving of bones out the joint. The options are A. Fracture, B. Sprain, C. Strain, and D. Dislocation. The answer is dislocation. In dislocation, the moving of bones occurs outside of the joint. A tube of muscular tissue carrying ingested food from the mouth to stomach. The options are A. Esophagus, B. Duodenum, C. Trachea, and D. Pharynx. The answer is esophagus. Esophagus is a muscular tissue which helps to carry ingested food from the mouth to stomach. If you like this video, please press like button, comment your valuable suggestions, share my video, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel.